Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I did this sleek high ponytail using Unice hair. This is their Peruvian Natural wave hair and it looks so good. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this ponytail, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so I'm using Unice hair. This is what their box looks like, and I have 4 bundles of their Peruvian Natural wave hair. So this is what it looks like. It is so soft, just pretty. Just look at the wave pattern in this hair. So the hair did not shed at all. The shipping was fast and it just looks so good. It feels great. So I'm gonna start on this ponytail. So I'm gonna grab my Eco Style gel in the argan oil kind. That's the one that I use. I already went ahead and brushed my hair out and like detangled it, so I'm gonna take that gel, and I use a lot of gel for my ponytails, and I'm gonna apply it on top first and take like this brush that really helps to lay your hair down. This is a really good brush you can find at the beauty supply store. So I'm just going to take my hair up and add more gel in the back. So I'm basically using gel just all around my hair, and I'm gonna take some spritz, and I feel like spritz, like you have to have like some freeze spray or like spritz to do a ponytail. So I do my ponytails really tight. I use a hair bow and 1 rubber band. Sometimes I'll use 2 rubber bands to tie my hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to tie it up. And then I'm just gonna brush my hair out some more just so it'll be easier to braid. And once I'm down to the end, I'm just going to tie the end with the rubber band, and I'm going to leave a little space in the rubber band because I'm going to take the end of the track and I'm going to push it through this rubber band. You guys will see me do it here. And then after that, I'm just going to wrap the hair around my braid. It was really easy to work with this hair. You cannot have no dry, stiff hair to do a ponytail because it will not go smooth. This hair is really soft. Yeah, I've seen some people talk about it on YouTube, so I wanted to try Unice hair. And I honestly didn't even have to use 2 bundles. Like, I could have just used 1 bundle because the hair is very full. Like I said, it's Peruvian hair, and Peruvian hair is just very thick. So I honestly could have did this whole ponytail with 1 bundle and it would have looked it fine. But I wanted it to be a little fuller, so I grabbed another bundle and wrap it around, and I'm going to take the end of that bundle, just a piece of hair at the end. I'm going to put some gel on it, and I'm going to wrap it around under the hair bow really tight. So once I'm done doing that part, I'm going to take a chunk of hair out, and this will be the piece to cover up the track. So I'm gonna brush it out and apply some gel, and I do spray a lot of spritz on it, just to hold. You guys, you definitely need like some kind of spritz to do a ponytail, because I feel like, yeah, gel works good, but you need spritz to like really hold it in place. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to slowly wrap it around and brush it at the same time so it can look very nice and like smooth and shiny with the spritz. And I'm just gonna continue wrapping it around until I'm done. So when I'm almost done wrapping it, the piece at the end, I just tuck it underneath the hair like that I just wrapped around. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges using the same argan oil gel. Yeah, I'm not gonna do them really crazy or anything. I'm just gonna use the same brush and yeah, just lay them edges. Next, I'm going to take this Herbal Essence Curl Boosting Mousse. This is just going to like revamp the hair. It's going to make it look, you know, more put together, more curly, bring the waves back out. And yeah, this is the completed look, you guys. Very simple, very nice for summertime because it's still hot outside. Very nice for back to school. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Unice's hair. The information will be down in the description box. I love y'all, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.